Hi, it's the Honey Queen. Just got back from a workout, rode a bike, and went to play pickleball. I did weights this week. This is my go-to after a workout, and it's all about taste. Because I was a little nervous the first time I did a green smoothie. I'm not gonna lie. So that's what I look for, with something with taste. And I don't really have an exact measurement, so you're just gonna get whatever happens. I can't believe I've never done this one before, because I've had this for a long time. And you'll need on hand cactus honey, of course the liquid, Greek yogurt, vanilla, almond milk, and or it could be unsweetened, banana, but I use them when they're frozen, so I freeze when they're just going bad. And then frozen fruit, I kind of have a mystery fruit, so we're getting whatever's in my freezer. At that time, I freeze things when they're going bad, and then I pull them out and put them in smoothies, along with the spinach, the baby spinach. And I do freeze that when it's just before it goes bad. And you can choose between flaxseed or chia chia seeds. I'm gonna do flaxseed today. So let's get started here. First thing you need is a couple dollops. So it's about a half a cup of the Greek yogurt. And it's a good idea to do it in this order too. Almond milk. So I fill that up about, I think it's about a cup. I really should measure these sometime. Just make sure it fits. Then I put in my frozen banana and my frozen fruit. About that much there. I think these are blueberries. That's my mystery fruit. And then, of course, the spinach. And if you do it frozen, it's about a half a cup. If you do it fresh, it's about just a handful. And I just got that baby full right there. And then chia seeds. Not chia seeds, I'm putting flaxseed. A little bit on there. Again, I think it's about a teaspoon of that. And a drizzle of cactus honey. And then you put the lid on it. This is like the bowl, but this is the Ninja. So I layer it, 30 seconds in the blender, and then you check to see if everything's blended. So I usually just like count to 30. I look around, it wasn't quite, so I kind of do it like that, and put it on for a little bit longer. I'm not sure why they call it a green smoothie, because it depends on the fruit that I put in it. Turns out a little different every time. This is more like a brown or a mauve. Grandchildren, did you find the bee? Yes, it's in my Vera Wang bag. I love this fanny pack. It looks really elegant and nice. It's comfortable. It's easy. I don't have to hold any, and it holds everything I possibly need. Anyway, cute little bees on that. There you go. All right, this is very filling, so it doesn't take very much. Did you like this? Subscribe, share it with other people, and have a sweet day.